Okay, so we're going to talk today about kale. It's a really delicious green when it's done well, and it's so healthy for you that we want to explore more ways of being able to serve it to kids that they'll actually eat it. So I have just normal frizzy kale here. You can also use Tuscan kale or Black Russian or whatever you find in your local store. But I have it, it's raw, washed. I took the stems out and I tore it into some not quite bite-sized pieces because it's going to shrink, but nice-sized pieces. So we're going to start out with a little bit of oil, not very much, a little bit of orange juice, tiny bit of salt. You're not going to need a lot of salt because we're going to get in here and massage this, and it's going to soak up all that flavor. Okay, so this is a great thing to do with your kids because kids really like to get their hands dirty, and they don't have to be gentle with this recipe. So I'm just going to get in here and really massage. We're not talking about just like a gentle massage. We're talking about like deep tissue massage. And you'll see that this is decreasing in size quite dramatically, and it's also changing color. It's becoming a lot more green. So once we've gotten it to this point, it's decreased in size by at least half, and we have this beautiful green color. What we've done is we've kind of broken down some of those fibers, and once those fibers start breaking down, they soak up all that orange juice and salt, and it's delicious, okay? So now that we've done that, you can do this the day before and put it in the cooler or serve it right away. I have some dried cranberries that I'm gonna put on here that are just absolutely delicious. You can put raisins or fresh fruit or really whatever you have in your kitchen or whatever your kids like. And the orange juice mixture kind of provides its own little vinaigrette for it. So it is delicious, okay? It's a great way to introduce kale to your kids.